Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can easily change crosshair in Battlefield 2042. If this video will be helpful, you can like this video and write it down below in the comments. So click options. Here you want to click on a display and change on crosshair. Click on the crosshair. Here you have option to choose the crosshair opacity, crosshair thickness, and then your last thing is crosshair color. You want to click on a color and you can easily switch it to anything you want. Then you're going to see also the hit indicator here as a color, damage based shape, headshot color, kill color, or armor hit indicator color. These are all things that you can change. Now if you can have any questions guys, ask me down in the comments. I'm really happy to help you and provide you some guidance, and yeah. See ya.